Amazon Music allows you to submit upcoming music in advance, but also any song that has been released in the last 2 weeks as well. Pitching your music to Amazon puts it in front of the editorial team for consideration for a number of different things. This can include playlists, but it can also include radio programming and other additional programming within Amazon Music. So let's go ahead and pitch this upcoming release. We are logged in here at artists.amazon.com. You'll see on the main overview screen, there is an option to pitch an upcoming release. We're going to go ahead and click on the button that says Pitch It. If you have multiple upcoming releases, you will see all of them in this list, and you will be able to pitch all of those releases at once. In this case, we have one upcoming release. I'm going to go straight ahead and tap on the Pitch button. If this release had multiple songs, we would need to choose one song from that release. In this case, it's a single, so we can just click on the song that we would like to pitch. In this first section, we will be asked, why are we pitching this song? Tell us something about the song. I'm going to go ahead and copy from my notes, which I have here. And I'm going to paste that text into this section. Now that we've added our pitch text, we're going to scroll down and choose which genres best describe the song. You will see here that we have the opportunity to select up to 3 genres that best describe the song. I'm going to click on the drop-down menu. You will see that we can scroll through all of these genres. I know the genres that I would like to choose, so I'm going to go ahead and type those in. Now that I have added those genres, the next option is to select what version of the song this is. In this case, this is an original song. It is not a remix, it is not a live recording, and it is not a cover. So I'm going to go ahead and select original. The next question is, does this song have lyrics? In this case, no, this song is 100% an instrumental. Now we can click Next to go to the next screen. On this screen, we can add some more detail about the song, and in particular, artists that have a similar sound. This is extremely important because this is going to populate in sections such as related artists, and it is also going to serve your music to listeners of these artists that you mention. It's going to expand your reach. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to select 2 artists that I feel have a similar sound, and I'm going to type those in this box. The next question is, where are most of your listeners today? In this case, they are in the United States, but you would choose the country where the majority of your listeners are currently. Next, we will select the moods that are associated with this song. Once again, this is making sure that we are populating the correct information with this song to reach the correct listeners on the correct playlists and programming within Amazon Music. In this case, I am going to select this song is a relaxing song and it is a happy mood song as well. Next, I can select the song category. In this case, this song would work well when people are chilling out and lounging, and also when people are doing work, studying, and reading. I'm also going to select relaxed and laid back. Now we can click next and go to the next screen. This is where we can see a summary of this pitch and we can see all of the information that we've filled out. You can scroll down and do a quick check to make sure that everything looks okay. And when you are ready, click submit. Now we have confirmation that pitch has gone through. Amazon will not tell you if you get an editorial placement, so you will need to log into the app after your release has come out to see if it has been programmed in any playlists or anywhere else within Amazon. And that's how you submit an upcoming release for consideration on Amazon Music.